Welcome to another exciting class in basic technology. My name is Gyadom Christian. Our theme for today is drawing practice, and our topic is geometric construction part 2, triangles. Lesson objectives. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to define, identify, and construct various triangles. Also, you should be able to construct inscribed and circumscribed circles to given triangles. Drawings, either in 2 or 3-dimensional shapes, are made of lines, curves, and edges. These drawings are done with the use of certain instruments like pencil, ruler, compass, as the case may be. These drawings are done to produce basic shapes called geometric construction. Geometric construction involves logical procedures that must be followed when drawing using specific instructions to achieve good results. A typical example of a product of geometric construction is a triangle. Now, let's go on to know more about triangles. As the name implies, triangle is a figure that has 3 angles. They are figures bounded by 3 straight edges. It is one of the basic shapes in geometry. Triangles are named according to the length of their sides, or the size of their angles, or the combination of both. Triangles have certain unique properties, which are: 1. Triangles have 3 sides. 2. Triangles have 3 angles, angle A, B, and C. Also, triangles have 3 vertices or edges, A, B, and C. And lastly, the sum of all internal angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. There are basically 3 types of triangles based on length. They are equilateral, isosceles, and scalene triangle. Now, let's go on as we discuss the different types of triangles, starting with the equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, all sides and lengths are equal. The internal angles are the same. You can see from this image, the angles are the same, and the 3 sides are equal. Now, let's see how we can construct an equilateral triangle with the following procedures. In constructing an equilateral triangle, the following instruments are necessary. 1. Drawing board. 2. T-square. 3. Drawing paper. 4. Ruler. 5. Compass. 6. Pencil, sharpener, and eraser. The procedures that must be followed includes: 1. Draw a given line AB 50 mm. Measure 50 mm on your ruler with your compass. Place compass at point A. Draw an arc above. 4. Place compass at point B. Draw an arc above to cut the previous one. And lastly, join all lines from point A and point B to intersect at C. Following these procedures, you can successfully construct an equilateral triangle. Next is the isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle has 2 sides that are equal. The 2 sides that are equal are called the legs, while the third side is called the base. It has 2 equal angles only. In constructing an isosceles triangle, the following instruments are needed. 1. Drawing board. 2. T-square. 3. Drawing paper. 4. Ruler. 5. Compass. 6. Pencil, sharpener, and eraser. For you to draw effectively, there are procedures you must follow. They include: 1. Draw line AB 50 mm. 2. Measure 70 mm on your ruler with your compass. 3. Place compass at point A. Draw an arc above. 4. Place compass at point B. Draw an arc above. And lastly, join all lines from point A and point B to intersect at C. With these procedures, you can effectively construct an isosceles triangle. Next is the scalene triangle. A scalene triangle is one in which all sides are unequal and the angles are not the same. You can see from this image, the dimensions are different: 9 centimeter, 14 centimeter, and 13 centimeter. Even the angles are also different: 60 degrees, 45 degrees, and 75 degrees. Now, let's go on to see how we can construct a scalene triangle. Instruments needed to construct scalene triangle include 1. Drawing board, T-square, drawing paper, ruler, compass, pencil, sharpener, and eraser. There are procedures you must follow for you to achieve accurate results while constructing a scalene triangle. These procedures include 1. Draw line AB 50 mm. Measure 35 mm on your ruler with your compass. Place compass at point A. Draw an arc above. Measure 55 mm on your ruler with your compass. Place compass at point B. Draw an arc above. And lastly, join all lines at A and B to intersect at C. This will be all for now for constructing types of triangles for our class. Now let's go on to see how we can inscribe a circle in a triangle and also circumscribe a circle around a triangle. When inscribing a circle in a triangle, there are procedures you must follow to achieve accurate results. These procedures include 1. Draw a triangle with sides AB, BC, and CA. AB, BC, and CA. 2. Place compass at point A. Bisect angle A to cut a small arc touching both lines AC and BC, which could be called A1 and A2. 3. Place compass at arc line A1. Expand your tool outside the triangle on line BC. Cut an arc and do same at A2. 4. Draw a diagonal line from the intersection to point A. 5. Place compass at B. Bisect angle B. And repeat steps in 2, 3, and 4. 6. The diagonal lines drawn to point A and B through the point 0, called the incenter, becomes the inscribed circle point. Place compass on the center point 0. Adjust its length to touch the 3 sides of the triangle. Where the line crosses the triangle, draw the inscribed circle touching the triangle. Now, let's go on to see how we can circumscribe a circle on a triangle. In circumscribing a circle on a triangle, you must follow these procedures to achieve good results. The procedures include 1. Draw a triangle with sides AB, BC, and CA. AB, BC, and CA. 2. Place compass at point A. Bisect line AC to cut small arcs above and below. 3. Place compass again at point C. Bisect line AC to cut 2 more small arcs above and below. 4. Draw a diagonal line from the 2 arc intersections to cut line AC. Next is Place compass at point B. Bisect line BC by repeating steps 2, 3, and 4 above. That is, cutting arcs up and down. Then draw a diagonal line to pass through line BC through the center. Next, the diagonal lines drawn meet at a point 0. This point 0 is the center of the circumscribed circle. Place compass on the center point 0. Adjust its length to touch any external points A, B, and C, which is called the vertex. And draw the circumscribed circle touching all vertices of the triangle. Now let's watch an illustration to see how we can construct these geometric shapes. Welcome to this session. I'll be showing you how to construct various triangles based on length. Remember I told you in our first class that triangles are plane figures bounded by 3 straight edges. And we have various types of triangles based on length. They are equilateral, isosceles, and scalene triangle. Let's see how we are going to construct an equilateral triangle. Remember I told you earlier that an equilateral triangle has all its sides equal. This means that both the length and the size are the same. Let's see how they are constructed. The various instruments needed for this construction are a ruler, sets of pencils, a compass with your pencil well fitted in it, an eraser, and a sharpener. These are the instruments for this construction. So the first thing you do is to locate a point on your drawing paper. Pick your ruler, your pencil, then you can start the construction properly. With your ruler, measure, say, 8 centimeters. Call this point point A, and this point B. The next thing you do is to pick your compass. Place your compass at point A. Expand to point B. Draw an arc up. The arc should be properly done. Place your compass again at point B. Intersect the previous arc cut. Pick your pencil again. Join a line from point B to the arc cut. Repeat same procedure from point A. You can call this point point C. Then kindly measure the size to know if they are equal. From my measurement, A to B is 8 cm. A to C, 8 cm. And B to C, 8 cm, which means that all sides are equal. This is a typical example of an equilateral triangle. With this procedure, you can conveniently construct an equilateral triangle. As we continue with our practical, let's move on to the next type of triangle, which is an isosceles triangle. Carefully remove your T-square, adjust it upward. Press the knob downward. Remove the paper. You can now place your T-square back. So let's construct an isosceles triangle. I also told you that in isosceles triangle, only two sides are equal. Let's construct it. Pick your pencil and your ruler. Place your ruler on your drawing paper. Locate any point of your choice. Draw a given line. You can call it, say, 80 millimeter or 8 cm. Pick your compass. Measure either 100 millimeter or 10 cm. Call this point point A and this point point B. Place your compass at point A. Draw an arc above. Repeat same procedure by placing your compass at point B. Intersect the previous arc cut. Take your pencil and join line from point B to the arc cut. Repeat same procedure from point A. Ensure your ruler is properly aligned on your drawing board. Call this point point C. Then you can now measure the sides to know if your measurements are true. From my measurement, A to B is 8 centimeter. A to C is 10 centimeter. And B to C is 10 centimeter. This means that two sides are equal. This is a typical example of an isosceles triangle. With this procedure, you can construct an isosceles triangle. Let's move on as we look at the next type of triangle, which is called scaling triangle. The same procedure, carefully move your T-square to a destination of your choice. Press the knob, remove the drawing paper. You can now replace your T-square. Remember I told you, in scaling triangle, all sides are unequal. This means that both the angles and the lengths are not the same. Let's see how to construct a scaling triangle. Pick your ruler, your pencil. Locate any points on your drawing paper. Draw a given line. You can say this point 8 cm. Then pick your compass and measure 8.5 cm on your ruler. Call this point point A and this point point B. With the measurement 8.5 cm, pin your compass at point B. Draw an arc above. Repeat the same procedure, but this time measure 6.5 cm on your ruler. Pin your compass at point A. Intersect the previous arc cut. You can now join your line from point B to the arc cut. Repeat the same procedure from point A. You can call this point point C. Take your measurement to know if you're correct. From my measurement, A to B is 8 centimeters. A to C is 6.5 centimeters. And B to C is 8.5 centimeters. You can see that all sides are unequal. This is a typical example of a scalene triangle. With this procedure, you can conveniently construct a scalene triangle. As we continue the practical, let's see how to inscribe a circle in a triangle. Like I told you before, carefully slide your T-square upward, remove it, place it in any location of your choice, press the knob, remove the drawing paper, replace the T-square back, properly outline on your drawing board. Let's see how to inscribe a circle in a triangle. Pick your ruler, your pencil, draw a given line, say 8 centimeters. Pick your compass, call this point point A, and this other point point B. Place your compass at point A, expand to point B, draw an arc above. Repeat the same procedure by placing your compass at point B. Intersect the previous arc cut. Pick your pencil and join the line from point B to the arc cut. Do the same from point A to the arc cut. The next thing you do, pick your compass, adjust its length, pin your compass at point A, draw a semicircle. Make sure the lines are very visible. Call this point A1 and this other point A2. Repeat the same procedure by placing your compass at point B. Also cut. With this now, pick your compass. You can also call this point B1 and B2. Place your compass at A1. Draw an arc. Repeat the same procedure by placing a compass at A2. Intersect the previous arc cut. Pick your pencil. Join lines from point A through the arc cut. Locate the middle of the arc cut. Your line must pass through this middle, connecting point A. Draw your line. Pick your compass. Repeat the same procedure by placing a compass at B1 and expand it a little. Cut an arc. Place your compass at B2. Intersect the previous arc cut. With your pencil, in the middle of the arc cut, draw a line from B. The next thing you need to do is to locate the intersection points of the lines drawn from A and B. Locate the midpoint. Adjust your compass to touch the sides of the triangle. Properly place your compass at the midpoint to avoid error. When drawing, avoid double line for accuracy, and draw a circle. Make the line on the circle very visible. You can see you've just inscribed a circle in the triangle. Call this point C. With this procedure, you can conveniently inscribe a circle in a triangle. As we go on, let's see how to circumscribe a circle on the triangle. Carefully slide your T-square upward. Remove it and place it in any location of your choice. Press the knob. Remove this paper. Press again. Place your drawing paper very well. Replace your T-square. Align it properly on the drawing board. So let's see how to circumscribe a circle on the triangle. Pick your pencil, your ruler, locate any point on the drawing paper. Draw a given line
say 8 centimeter. Pick your compass. Call this point point A and point B. Place your compass at point A. Expand to point B. Cut an arc above. Place your compass at point B. Intersect the previous arc cut. Pick your pencil and join the line from point B to the arc cut. Repeat same procedure by drawing line from point A. Call this point point C. Pick your compass. Adjust its length. Place your compass at point A. Expand close to point C. Draw an arc on the left-hand side. Repeat same procedure by placing your compass at point C. Intersect the previous arc cut. Then draw a line from point B to touch the arc cut. Repeat same procedure by placing your compass at point B. Also cut an arc on the right-hand side. Repeat same procedure also by placing a compass at point C. Intersect the previous arc cut. Pick your pencil and join line from point A to the arc cut. With this now, this becomes the center or the intersection point. Pick your compass and place your compass at the intersection point. Adjust the length of your compass to touch all sides of the triangle, which is the external sides of the triangle. Having done that, you can now circumscribe the triangle. Make sure the circle is touching the 3 vertices of the triangle. With this now, you've conveniently circumscribed the circle on the triangle. This will be all for now on how to construct various types of triangles based on length. Let's continue with the class.
Welcome back. I hope the illustration gave you a better understanding on how to construct basic shapes in geometry. This will be all for now, but before we go, let's take a quick summary of what we've learned so far. We learned that Triangles are plane figures bounded by 3 straight edges. We also learned that triangles have 3 sides, vertices, and angles. Next, we learned that the total internal angles of triangles are 180 degrees. And lastly, we learned that there are basically 3 types of triangles. They are equilateral, isosceles, and scalene triangles. Don't be in a hurry to leave, as we are going to take some test questions on what we've learned so far. Question 1. A typical triangle has dash vertices. A, 3, B, 2, or C, 6. The correct answer is A. A typical triangle has 3 vertices. Question 2. When constructing a triangle, inscribing a circle within a triangle or circumscribing a circle on a triangle, the instrument used to draw the arcs and circles is the dash. A, divider, B, T-square, or C, compass. The correct answer is C, the compass. Thank you for your time. I believe you can now construct the 3 basic types of triangles in geometric construction. This will be all for now. See you in our next class. Bye-bye.